Hello everyone, my name is Payongayong and I've worked for Altis since May of this year as a managed services consultant. What I like most about the job is that no 2 days are ever the same. I always get challenged with the different clients and issues they encounter and providing them resolutions, whether through enhancements or raising abnormalities in their data or simply knowing that it's a limitation of the tools that they use. My go-to productivity trick is to tackle most of the tasks at hand early in the morning, as this is the time of the day where I find myself most focused and have more ideas to go about things. And if possible, I'll move meetings later in the afternoon. A typical workday for me is reading the emails from overnight and then looking into the daily data processes of each client that I handle to make sure that everything ran smoothly overnight. And of course, meetings with clients to discuss any potential issues or improvements to be done on hand. My advice to those just starting in my career would be to be just as open as they can be into learning new tools and technology, especially in our industry where everything is just ever so evolving. And also just really enjoy the whole course of it. What I like to do when I'm not at work is trying out new food, whether that would be from a restaurant around my area or it's something that I would make myself from scratch and experimenting on it. The best vacation spot that I've been to is in one of the islands in the Philippines off the coast of Palawan, where I was able to see sea turtles when we were snorkeling in there, and a really rich marine life and just beautiful corals. My least favorite food is fish and chips, and I think that's because I haven't had one from a really good place. So if anyone knows a good fish and chips shop, I'll be more than welcome to trying it out. My favorite way to unwind after a busy day is by hitting the gym with my friends and doing different classes with them to decompress after a long day. I'm happiest when I go traveling with my partner and we get to explore new things, new food, new things to do in that area, or honestly, just simply spending time with my family and friends over good food.